In the late 1980s, amid the towering ambitions of the Soviet space program, engineers at the Antonov Design Bureau in Ukraine were given a monumental task: build an aircraft capable of transporting the Buran space shuttle, the USSR's counterpart to NASA's space shuttle. The result was the Antonov An-225 Mriya, which means dream in Ukrainian, a name that would become a symbol of pride and awe for aviation enthusiasts worldwide. When it first flew in 1988, the An-225 shattered records. It was, and remains in many ways, despite its destruction, the largest and heaviest aircraft ever built, with a wingspan of 88.4 meters, 290 feet, the widest of any operational aircraft, a maximum takeoff weight of 640 tons, 6 turbofan engines, each more powerful than those on a Boeing 747, a cargo bay large enough to carry tanks, industrial generators, or even entire trains. Initially, the An-225 was used to transport the Buran shuttle on its back, much like the American shuttle carrier aircraft. But as the Soviet space program crumbled, the Buran project was canceled. The An-225 was put into storage for years. A new life. In the early 2000s, the aircraft was refurbished and returned to service, not for space shuttles, but as a heavy cargo transport. It began flying record-breaking commercial missions, transporting impossibly large or urgent freight for humanitarian aid, military operations, and industrial needs. Whether it was delivering wind turbine blades, relief supplies after disasters, or COVID-19 medical equipment during the pandemic, Mriya was often the only aircraft capable of handling such tasks. Its visits to airports around the world drew crowds. Pilots called it a flying cathedral, and for good reason. Seeing it take off was like watching a miracle of physics. Tragic end. But on February 24, 2022, as Russia invaded Ukraine, the An-225 met a tragic fate. It was stationed at Hostomel Airport, near Kiev, undergoing maintenance and unable to be evacuated in time. During fierce fighting for control of the airport, the hangar was attacked and Mriya was destroyed. Images later confirmed the heartbreaking sight. The world's only An-225 lay in ruins, a twisted shadow of its former self.